Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Hans Kitchen, the one and only original male cooking channel in Ghana and beyond guys. Today happens to be a special day, and on that note, come along with me as I take you through how I prepare my delicious meat pie recipe, flaky on the outside and moist in the inside. You would love it guys. Ingredients will be listed in the description box below. So guys, let's begin with the meat pie filling. As you can see, I just transferred good amounts of vegetable oil into my fry pan or saucepan, added my onions, stir fried for some few seconds, and it is the perfect time to add in my minced meat. As you can see, give it a stir fry for some few seconds as well. My garlic and ginger paste goes in at this point in time. Give it a good stir to combine properly as well. My red powdered pepper goes in. My meat spice of choice also goes in. Give it a good stir as well to combine properly. Add in my salt to taste. After stir frying my minced meat for some time, I will be adding the rest of my chopped onions, my potatoes, my carrots. Give it a good stir to combine properly, after which I will be adding or spreading my flour and give it a good stir, as you can see on your screen. Reduce the heat and add just enough water to cook my potatoes and meat very well. Cover it to bring to a cook for some time. After some time, I will be adding my all natural spice blend. That's the secret ingredient to every delicious food recipes. It's nearly killed me guys. So give it a good stir and cover it to cook for some few more minutes. Then guys, voila, you are done with the meat pie filling. So family, after some few more minutes, my meat pie filling is ready. As you can see guys, isn't this appetizing? I think you can even enjoy this with your plain rice and it will taste very nice. Wow. So I'll put it aside to allow it to cool down as I prepare my meat pie dough. So in a clean bowl, I will be pouring in my flour. This is soft flour. Adding my nutmeg and my baking powder and combine properly or mix with your clean hands, clean dry hands guys, please take note of that. My margarine or butter goes in at this point in time. I am using salted margarine or butter for this recipe, so guys, there's no need to add any salt to my flour, but if you want more salt you can add it. So guys, mix properly so it's crumbly, just like bread crumbs. So guys, mix properly with your hands. So this is the end result, as you can see. Yes, so I will be making a hole in the middle of my dough and I will be adding my evaporated milk mixed with chilled water. So guys, I added chilled water to my evaporated milk. So mix properly so you form a dough. Add your milk in batches. This video was specially made for you, my amazing subscriber watching right now. This is my own way of celebrating Valentine's Day with you or Chocolate Day with you. So guys, please don't forget to leave me a thumbs up by subscribing to this amazing food channel, and also don't forget to share this video with a friend or a loved one. So that's my dough. I will be kneading it just for some few seconds to allow my dough to stay intact very well. So I will be dividing my dough into 2 equal halves and just wrap it in a cling film, as you can see, and keep it in the fridge or refrigerator to allow it to cool for just a few minutes, or for about 30 to 35 good minutes. Please don't keep it in the freezer, just keep it in a fridge. So that's my dough going straight into the fridge to cool down for some few minutes. So after cooling down for some few minutes, as you can see, my dough is ready. So I remove the cling film and roll it out and continue with my meat pie preparation. So at this point in time, I would say my meat pie filling has cooled down very well. So spread good amount of flour on your clean surface and just roll out your dough. And guys, I be know that as simple as ABC. Spread some of your flour on your rolling pin and just roll your dough out beautifully into your preferred shape or size. So I'll be using this baking pan to bake my pie. So I'll be measuring it to check the size very well. And guys, I transfer it onto my baking pan surface, as you can see on your screens. So I'll be transferring my dough onto my baking pan surface. Fix it well on it. Then guys, spread my meat pie filling on top of my dough. And guys, I'm good to go. So this is my meat pie filling that has cooled down very well. I'll be transferring it onto my meat pie dough, good amount of it. So guys, repeat the process just as I did for the first time. Spread good amount of flour on your clean surface and roll it out to get a preferred shape or size. Then guys, you are good to go. So guys, put it on top of the meat pie filling or dough, then use your rolling pin to roll it out beautifully to cover every space left out, as you can see on your screen. So guys, at this point in time, I would say we are almost done with the meat pie preparation, as you can see on your screen. The difficult part, that is the dough preparation and your meat pie filling, we are done with that. All we need to do is to just roll it out beautifully in our baking pan and just transfer it into our oven, and guys, bake beautifully. So guys, at this point in time, all you need to do is to just apply your egg wash on your meat pie for that beautiful yellowish golden, golden color, that appetizing color. Charlie, I know you've got it. That is it. So just brush it on top of your meat pie dough. So at this point, I will be using my pizza cutter to make some holes in my meat pie dough. This is to allow the heat to come out of the meat pie without breaking it. Then guys, transfer it into my oven to bake. So there's it. This is the work. My meat pie goes in at this point in time. Cover my oven and allow it to bake at 180 degrees. Ladies and gentlemen, after baking for some time, my meat pie is ready. Guys, as you can see, it's ready. So guys, I will put it on top of my surface, my clean surface, and guys, allow it to cool down. So guys, finally, it's about to go down. Guys, isn't this appetizing already? Guys, I don't know what to say. It's so nice. Charlie, try it out at home and you will thank me later. This Val's Day, spoil your girl, your guy with this amazing meat pie recipe, and guys, they will love you more, Charlie. Thank you so much for watching this video, Charlie. Thank you so much. Flaky on the outside, and moist in the inside. Won't pay way now, Charlie. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share this amazing recipe with a loved one or a friend, and guys, leave me a like and a comment. See you with another video. Bye guys.